Isaac, you say yes? Isaac, say yes? No. Say yes. You're a silly boy. Is Isaac a silly boy? Is Daddy Isaac's favorite?
Is Mama Isaac's favorite?
Is Big Sis your favorite? Is Big Sis your favorite? Is Big Sis your favorite?
Is Remy your favorite?
Do you like Christmas? Yes, you like Christmas? Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? Yes, you love Mommy. Do you love Daddy? Do you love Mommy more than Daddy? Isaac! Isaac,
Do you love Charlotte?
do you love Charlotte?
Do you love Charlotte? Do you love Charlotte?
Do you love Charlotte?
Charlotte?
Okay, do you love Remy? Isaac? Do you love Remy?
I think we lost him.
Look at Isaac. Oh, no.
Isaac, do you want to fly on an airplane and go to Texas? No. Yes, you don't know. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.